The answer to your question is a big no. Taking abortion pills on your own without a gynecologist's opinion and an examination can be really risky. So, why you should see a gynecologist? The gynecologist will tell you about the entire process, the possible problems associated with this procedure, and the follow up that needs to be done after medical abortion. Also, it is very important to rule out ectopic pregnancy, that is, a pregnancy which is not implanted inside the uterus. If abortion pills are given in such a case, the effects on the mother's health could be disastrous. In some cases, there could be excessive bleeding or excessive pain. In such a case, your gynecologist needs to be around you to monitor you and to treat you. So please do not ever attempt to take abortion pills at home without a gynec's consultation. And also remember, please do not go to a chemist or to a quack asking for abortion pills. That could be really dangerous for you.